Changzhou Yubon Vehicle is located in Changzhou City, Jiangsu Province, east of China, and near Suzhou and expressway to Shanghai, and are convenient for shipments. The original intention of Changzhou Yubon Vehicle is to design electric bikes meeting customers' requirements. So we make it simple: fashion, passion, and sports. Customers fall in love with Yubon Vehicle at the first sight. Make ride easy is our idea. Let Yubon Vehicle go together in people's lives. Yubon Vehicle has its own design team and has fashion electric bikes. Yubon Vehicle can customize different electric bikes according to the different needs from different countries. For instance, for TDE 05, European customers require ordinary mountain type, speed limit at 25 km per hour, and in line with the requirements of EN 15194. For TDE 18, we can make it with 1000 W motors and 26 Ford flat tires, so bike goes faster and with more fun. For TDE 15, professional athletes can ride it to conquer mountain and forests. In short, we will do everything possible to meet customers' requirements. All spare levers of Yubon Vehicle are from the most famous brands in the world. Good motors, batteries, and controllers make Yubon Vehicle with fast line quality. Safety and reliability are our basic guarantee.